children, in today's drawing class, I Gracia ma'am will be teaching you how to draw an umbrella. Have you all seen an umbrella? I know you all have beautiful colorful umbrellas. Today we are going to learn how to draw an umbrella using two shapes, a semicircle and an oval shape. Are you all not excited? Shall we start? Keep your drawing copies in the portrait position and start drawing the semicircle. Draw the semicircle very carefully in short strokes. Turn the book to your comfortable position and get the shape correct. See, it looks like a C shape, isn't it? Now, from the corners of the semicircle, we are going to draw the oval. Now our oval shape is ready. Now I am going to find the midpoint of the semicircle. There it is. And now I have marked 3 points. And I marked 2 points in between this half and 2 points in between that half. So I'm going to join the bottom dot to the top dot. So what is it? Should I join it using a straight line or a curved line? It is a curved line. Otherwise it wouldn't look like an umbrella. That's it. One half is ready. Now we mark points on the other side also. And what are we supposed to do next? We are going to join every dot using a curved line. Small curved lines. Do it carefully and slowly. So erase all the unwanted lines. Keep your paper very neat. I'm going to draw eyes, nose and a big smiling mouth. Oval shape for the eyes. You can even draw round eyes. Draw the nose and give a big smiley. Beautiful work. Now, what are we supposed to do next? Draw the eyebrow, and now we move on to the handle. The handle has a long stick-like part and a colorful holding part, isn't it? The handle is a very colorful curved part of the umbrella where you hold it. Draw the curves carefully. What shape does that remind you of? Alphabet U? Very good. Now make your work neat again. In case you have scribbled anywhere, clean it up. So now, can I leave it like this? No. I have an idea in my mind. So what comes to my mind is rainy season and rain clouds. Of course, rainbows too. I love rainbows. I know all of you like rainbows. So if rainbows are there, what should be there in the sky? Sun has to be there, isn't it? Do you know how many colors are there in the rainbow? There are 7 colors. So you should have 7 lines to draw, fill in all the 7 colors. I drew the sun and see how many droplets I'm drawing. Draw only very few droplets. Do not draw a lot of lines and make your work dirty. Now I'm coming to the ground. I'm just giving a grassland. And of course, 2 puddles, one on this side and that side of the umbrella. Water splashing. Isn't that interesting? Of course, I thought I'd draw some flowers also. Do you have any more ideas? I have left some space there. Can we have a butterfly there? What else? Now, take your sketch pens after you have put in all your creativity and start outlining the picture. Draw over the pencil line very clean and neat. Because when we draw with a pencil, we can erase and correct, but when we are doing with a sketch pen, we cannot erase it. So you have to be very careful. So I'm outlining the water droplets and now the umbrella. I started planning my colors also. Do you have any idea about your colors? What color is your umbrella going to be? Just start planning in your mind. How can I color this? In case you're not able to draw the straight line there with a sketch pen, use your scale. It is always better to learn freehand drawing. Draw the puddles, and that's it. We have completed the outline. Now we'll quickly move on to the coloring. I'm going to use wax crayons. Okay, so the first thing I want to color is the rainbow because I like rainbows. I know all of you like rainbows. So you know the order of color in the rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, very good, green, very good. What is the next color? Yellow. What's the next color? Orange, very good. And then red. Okay, red is always at the top. And as I told you, the clouds are rain clouds. I'm going to use silver crayon color to color the clouds. I'm not using black, I'm using the silver color crayon. First color outside around the sketch pen lines and then you fill inside. That is the method to color. If you color like this, then your color will not go out and your picture will be very neat. You like neat pictures, isn't it? See, first you have to color around the pencil line or the sketch pen line, then fill inside. Sun is always yellow, and then we move on to the droplets. And finish the puddles also. Everything is light blue, isn't it? Very good. I know, you're all doing very good work. Now I'm going to color my colorful umbrella. See, I colored around the sketch pen line and then I'm filling inside. I'm going to make a multicolored umbrella. What are you going to make? What are the color combinations you are going to use? Are you going to copy mine? No. Try to do yourself. Think of a new combination. I'm going to give almost the rainbow color combination. You can think of various other combinations. You can use any two colors. You can use three colors, alternate the three colors. You can draw designs on the umbrella. and color the designs light and the background dark. You can think of anything. Draw the lines inside also, which I had missed, and color inside. Use the colors that you have not used on the top layer. Don't use orange below because everything will get merged, so use a different color. Color neatly. If you don't color neatly, the picture will not look nice. Even if your drawing has come out very neat, if you scribble, then your drawing will look very dirty. I know all of you like neat work. Color in the same direction and color only inside the pencil line. Have you all completed the picture? Did it come out very nice? I know you all would have done it very beautifully.